Hi Capricorns, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot and I'll also use some oracle decks that I have here. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Capricorns. Final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Emperor card. This seems to be a person who is quite competitive and professional in his attitude. Perhaps Capricorns at this time you were coming across as someone who would brook no nonsense. I think your focus was already on work which was underway or tasks that were underway. Perhaps Capricorns, you would have also benefited if you had cooperated a bit. You should have also focused on learning or reading up. I think many of you were also suffering on account of ill health. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that April is going to pose for you is the Knight of Swords. This is a very active and adventurous card, but this is in the challenge position, so certainly Capricorns, you need to be more focused at this time. Perhaps you're going to be distracted. I'm also picking up that many of you are also dealing with options, whether at work or in personal matters. In essence, you need to adapt, though it could be a bit unnerving for you. Maybe there's also the issue of trust, which is lacking in your relationships. Some people could also accuse you of making a mountain out of a molehill, so it is best to nip issues in the bud. Influences for this month, we have the Ten of Wands. You see, this person, he seems to be weighed down on account of the excess workload that is there. Possibly, the pressure is going to mount on you with respect to work. There are going to be those anxious moments that you need to face. Times, you want to forge ahead, you want to grasp the opportunities, but then you have to surrender to what your loved ones want. I think financial issues could also affect your relationships. You may also feel at times that everything is cyclic. Nevertheless, I think Capricorns, you're the lone warrior. You have it in you to be patient and to get ahead in life. Besides, these challenging moments will not last forever. Rather, they are going to prepare you for better days ahead. Like I said, even if there's pressure on the work front, even if you feel that colleagues are not helping your cause, you should stay focused. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Eight of Wands here. This is a very positive energy. There's going to be quick progress, quick communication. Maybe there's also a job opportunity which is yours for the taking. I think many of you will be up and about. You will also make those travel plans. Your social circle is also going to widen at this time. But again, Capricorns, you are being reminded to stay within the boundaries. Somebody could accuse you of not obeying the rules or disregarding the rules, and this could create misunderstanding of sorts. Perhaps Capricorns, this is also the time when you should work on your relationship with your family elders, especially your dad. Essentially, Capricorns, the work pressure is also going to mount on you at this time. Maybe colleagues also expect you to focus that much harder. They will question your commitment to work. In case you're in the leadership position, I think Capricorns, you could want to expel a worker who you believe is bringing in losses for you. Maybe you're also looking for replacements here, but then those whom you interview may be inefficient. I think you can also expect gossip about your life, or maybe there's somebody who's gossiping about your leadership skills. Another thing, Capricorns, I think there could be gossip which could swirl about you, so you should be careful of those who gossip about you. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th April, we have the Four of Cups. You see this lady, she seems to be distraught. She seems to be all by herself. She's thinking about what could be or what should have been. Perhaps Capricorns, there's going to be emotional discontentment in your life. Maybe you also believe that people aren't true to their words or they are two-faced. But you should relax because I believe that everything will fall in place. Maybe you are getting worked up, you get emotional, and you could be reacting to situations that you find yourself in. There could also be outstation work offers, but the job may not be to your liking. Maybe you believe that the salary is not good enough for you. Other than that, those of you already working, I think you could find yourself flustered on account of schedules. Sometimes, you could be unsure whether you should proceed, but then somehow you will manage. Basically, I think the onus is going to be on you to be up and about rather than be lazy or tardy. I think you should push yourself and complete the tasks at hand. The final days of April, we have the Justice card, so karma is definitely at play here. What you sow, what you reap. We did clarify the Justice card and we have the Four of Swords, so 2 4s in your reading. Possibly, Capricorns, you need to take a back seat. You should deliberate about what's going on. Like I said, there are going to be people who will malign you or try to defame you. This person seems to be in a very meditative state. He wants to contemplate over his actions. Maybe you're overthinking, so you could suffer from sleeplessness. And this could make you quite irritable. Even if it's going to be a challenging time, I think you should find a way out. Sometimes, introspection or hindsight could give us some better ideas. Maybe someone is also threatening to sabotage your interests at work. This rival should not be taken lightly, even if he doesn't act on his threats, but then you should have a backup of your plans. I think the best way to combat jealousy or envy is to keep quiet or to keep your cards close to your chest. Incidentally, from Lenormand, we also have this card, Garden, which talks about your social life, your social network, that is. The key here is to network. We did have the Eight of Wands, so your social circle is definitely going to widen. At times, you may want to retreat from certain situations, but I think you need to network if you want to open doors for yourself. Possibly the universe is also asking you to enjoy the food treats or to relax and go outdoors, to be in the midst of like-minded people. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, I have this card, Intimacy, which talks about the physical aspect of your relationship. Simply holding hands with your person could also give you a warm feeling this month. I think you desire a physical union with your person. Maybe your hormones or your sex chakra is quite active, or possibly you're dealing with someone who is sexually attracted to you this month. Maybe some unwanted attention is also on the cards for Capricorns. In case you're single, I think you could meet someone who could also be a player here, because we do have Lenormand's Garden here. So this person may have options with respect to matters of the heart. Nevertheless, I think Capricorns, there are going to be those admirers who want to be more familiar with your family members. Maybe you should make it clear that you're disinterested in them. Interestingly, I'm also picking up that the opposite sex is also going to assist you at work. On the other hand, those of you who fancy someone, maybe you want to express your love for this person, but then you fear rejection as well. Romance in Capricorns, I think there could be opposition to your love life this month. Maybe your family members are displeased. That is why we have the Four of Swords here. Maybe they want you to retreat from this connection. Nevertheless, your person and you are going to bounce ideas of each other. I think you will discuss work-related issues with your person. Perhaps some of you are also dealing with a person who is away on account of work, or who is preoccupied on account of work. That is why there's a lack of intimacy in this relationship. Maybe that is why this card, Intimacy, has come up in your reading. Capricorns, I think you're dealing with a person who is quite temperamental this month. You need to be quite patient. I think your spouse is someone who is going to test your nerves this month. Maybe you want him to oblige you immediately, but then he could be busy, or he may not want to do so immediately. Nevertheless, I think you'll be happy because your spouse makes financial gains this month. For some Capricorns, I'm also picking up that you should be careful of domestic violence. Maybe that is why this card has come up, which talks about fear. Possibly some of you are dealing with the fear of rejection. Like I said, you may want to call up or reach out to a person you fancy, but then you may withhold yourself. This fear of not being valued by this person is also something which is going to plague you mentally. Maybe some of you are also alarmed on account of the backbiting or rivalry which is there. This is making you quite fearful of the workplace or the work environment. In essence, Capricorn, this month you should live within the boundaries. There are going to be opportunities to make gains, but you should also be careful because there are jealous co-workers around. I hope Capricorns you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.